Hello there, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses along with Dave's son Caleb. And a couple of years ago we made a video about how to use a snowblower. And in that video we also did a review about this very snowblower, which is the Toro 721E. Since 2 years have gone by, we thought we'd give you an update to let you know what we think about this snowblower. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Currently, I'm using the snowblower to clear snow off of 4 different properties. So there's my personal home, and that has a pretty big driveway. And then I'm also clearing the snow off my father's driveway, and that one's not so big, but the snowplow comes through and really blocks him in, so that makes it a little bit more challenging. In addition, we're doing property management at this lake house. It's a vacation rental house. And the driveway is huge. It can actually fit 8 parked cars, and it's on a pretty steep slope. So that is a pretty big driveway to clear snow off of. Then there's our farm. We have a 1,600-foot road that goes from the front of our farm where the mailbox is all the way back to where the barn is. And we need to get to the barn because that's where our goats and rabbit are, and we need to take care of them. We got 10 inches of snow at this latest storm. And out here at our farm, we're getting quite a bit of drifting, and the snow was up over my boots. I mean, these are 2-foot drifts. While my son, James, was hooking up the bucket onto the tractor, I took the Toro snowblower out, and I made about 4 passes on the whole 1,600-foot driveway, and it was doing a great job the whole way. And so later on, my son used the bucket, kind of like a plow, and he could get it to where it was just a couple of inches of snow left, and then I was able to easily clear it off the rest of the way with the snowblower. That entire job to do all 1,600 feet only took us just a little bit over an hour, so it was pretty amazing. After using the snowblower for 2 years, we still love it. So we're looking through the comments, and it seemed like a lot of the homeowners were agreeing with us, saying, yes, this is a fabulous snowblower. But then there'd be some comments from people who maybe they clear snow for a living, I don't know. But they're saying that this snowblower isn't durable, that it's not going to hold up. And so we'd have to say that that's not been the case for us. If you were in the professional snow removal business, you would probably want to upgrade to a much more expensive snowblower. But for a homeowner that's just doing their own driveway or maybe a couple of driveways, and say you've got 5 to 20 snowfalls a season, this thing is absolutely fantastic. So 2 years into it, everything's running great, love it. It's helping me clear snow off of 4 different properties, and I still say it's an excellent value. And Virgil agrees. Do you agree, Virgil? Yes. We're Amazon affiliates. We'll put a link in the description below so you can order your very own Toro 721E snowblower. If that model is no longer available, we'll put a link to the most current version of the Toro 721E. All right, if you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that helps out our channel. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thank you very much for viewing, and we'll see you in this video.